What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to do a half cab flip. This is kind of a more advanced trick, but it's not that hard. All you need to know to be able to do this trick is how to do a kick flip, a fakie kick flip, and a half cab, which is like a fakie 180. And then you just need to put that stuff together. All right, so you're rolling backwards. You start to wind your shoulders the opposite way, and then you start to turn your shoulders the way you want to go. And when they're turned about this far, you're going to pop with your back foot, drag your front foot off the board, hit it like right where the nose starts to curve up in that pocket. So it's gonna start to flip, and it's gonna flip pretty fast. You're gonna catch it with your back foot and then land your back foot and continue pivoting around until you're rolling forward again. You want to try to stay over your board, centered over your board. A lot of times you'll land off in front of the board or behind the board or something weird like that, but you want to try to keep your shoulders over the bolts the whole time. This is easier than doing a regular backside flip. Doing it fakie for some reason makes it easier. It really does. So just make sure you got a nice quick flick and that you just pivot it all the way back around, and it's not that hard of a trick. I think you got it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.